Yo!
Tent is ready. And the bonfire is ready.
I want to play with the bonfire.
Ayan, mag-disco na si Faye.
Hi!
Turn off mo muna, anak. Okay. Wow!
Hi, Blackie. What are you doing with my mom's skirt a while ago?
So we're gonna have this. Hello! Ito na mga campers. Yes. Hello, campers. Ayun. Ate! Ate! Can we have your hands, please? Help daddy, anak. Swimming pool daw. Manipis lang pala siya, no? Paano ba? Pa ganyan? Daming mga salaboy-boy. There you go. Ang aming matagal nang pinapangarap na tent. Na maraming supot na kasama. Ayan, si Sir Fred, oh, ang bilis Pag mamaya, tulog na si Sir Fred. Oh, si Sir Mark, oh, patapos na rin agad.
I want my toy cat.
Hi, bye-bye daw. No.
Wow, pulang-pula pala yan. Naglalambing sa'yo.
Let's go. Come back later.
Ayan yung ano, no. Ito yung bubong. Ate, shuwa daddy. Open dali. Don't. Tada! Tama ba?
Siguro.
Asan ang pinto?
Ito siguro.
Patay. Oo, tama. Yan yung may ano.
Wait. My booking.
Yan ba yung pang ano?
Aba.
Ay, wow. Nakakuha ka ng iyong ano. Ayun, swing si Payeye. Let's call the wind. Ayan yung dito sa gitna, no? Okay, 3 rods na. Help daddy here.
Ay, putang. Ate. Okay,
Take off your slippers.
What am I supposed to do?
Insert mo, anak. Ayan. Yan.
Is it here? Blackie.
Sit down, anak. Sit down. Sit down. Insert more. Continue. Continue. Yan. Another insert.
Blackie,
Get out of here.
Dali, Faye. Dali.
which one? Which one?
Naya.
Make only one.
That's it.
Make only one.
Okay, ganyan na siya. Ready to stand up? Not yet.
Dapat may maliit sa ano.
Sa loob, no? Para stand up lang.
Pag dito mo hawakan mo.
Oo nga. May kulambo.
Mamayang gabi.
Lagay mo na yung nasa taas.
Wala. Ay, maliit din.
Doon na lang.
Wala.
Di, yun yun.
Tapos baka hindi natin na ano. Hindi mo po?
Ayan.
Pagganito.
Hey, you should learn how to put this up.
Ate!
So big.
Ate!
I'll try. Look for you.
Ate! I-ano mo yun? Everybody, look, it's the tent. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Look, this is where I'm gonna sleep tonight. Thank you, Bob. I think...
That's a good boy.
Ay, ang galot mo ito eh.
Itatali ulit.
Saan? Dito sa bali siya na.
Yeah, ginabi na matapos. Let's have a tour inside. Hello? Where's the door? Hello, Faye.
Turn it back on.
Okay, let's...
Set it up.
Okay. Pwede siyang pag ganun, anak. Malaki naman pala, Dida. Look.
Papagayin, pwedeng papagayin.
Doon.
Yes.
Doon, anak. Doon, doon. Okay, that's it.
See? It fell up by itself, Mommy. It fell up by itself.
That's one room.
Let's see what's their room going to be. But now, look at our bed. Yo!
Tent is ready. And the bonfire is ready.
I want to play with the bonfire.
Ayan, mag-disco na si Faye.
Hi!
Turn off mo muna, anak. Okay. Wow.
Hi, Blackie. What you doing with my mom's skirt a while ago?
So we're gonna have this.
Ihaw-ihaw. Habol sa lamig. Habol sa lamig. Kung malamig pa nga, parang mainit na. O
Iba-iba.
na-overwork lang tayo. Ihaw-ihaw.
Halika yung dalawa.
Yung sa labas.
Ito oh, may upuan dito. Ayun sila oh. Oh. Para kayong nasa cave. Nandun kayo sa ano? Sa ano yun? Ah, yan pala. Wow. Ayos ah.
Hindi nyo lalagyan ng ano? Tama na yung ano? Yung
Kaya?
kaya ng mga.
At pala doon natin sir nilagay sa mismong apoy oh.
Ano yan? Aso yung lulutuin mo?
Sa salabang baboy.
Ngayon sa amin yung aso at kambing.
Wow.
Lalagyan ng mga ano? Sisilaban na. Yung blowtorch ngayon.
Wow.
Ihaw tayo.
2,000 more. Luigi, in the snake game, what level are you now?
Meeting friends.
Level 2? I'm level 5.
We're having this.
I'm level 9.
Camping ulit. Habol sa lamig.
May campfire pa nga eh. Paano malamig?
So Luigi, but he's always yuck, yuck, yuck me. My God.
Have you eaten your dinner, Luigi?
Mommy, look.
What is it?
Phone.
Wow, new phone? Wow.
It's an old phone.
Old phone, but you put it in the box.
Yes.
Wow.
Mommy, Luigi said it's already broken.
La?
Broken.